Hello, this is Dr. Sabir Rao from Pain and Spine Specialists and Shakti Health and Wellness Center, here to talk to you quickly about regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is a way for our body to heal from the inside out. We can use different types of products. Sometimes we spin down your own blood called platelet-rich plasma or PRP and inject that into muscles, joints, and areas that have been strained or sprained. And I would say if it's mild to moderate type of a problem or injury, PRP works really well. If it's moderate to severe or a longer standing problem or a problem that has some neurological issues, then stem cells or exosomes are another option. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP, has been around for a very long time, and it's a great way to use your own body's fluid or blood to provide the growth factors that you need to enhance healing. Blood itself gets spun down. So we draw blood from your own body, we spin it down in a centrifuge, and then we can inject that back into different body areas that are painful or inflamed. So athletes who have tendinitis, ligament tears, muscle tears, or anything like mild to moderate type of pain may be a candidate for PRP to help. The treatment can happen, it can be repeated in about a month if we need to, and we can do it again in the future. So it's a great alternative to steroid injections, a great alternative to surgery, or sometimes even an enhancement to surgery. If you have more questions, feel free to come in and talk to us, and we can see if you're a good candidate for PRP. Another option for regenerative medicine is using different types of nanoparticles or vesicles, which are little blebs that come off of cells that are very important in our body. We can harness or really harvest these cells and utilize them to provide multiple different factors to help the body heal. These vesicles have growth factors, cytokines, chemokines, and hyaluronic acid, which are all meant to decrease inflammation, reprogram the cell, allow it to function at a better way. This allows for increased blood flow and sometimes blood vessel growth. It has antifibrotic properties, so less scar tissue. It can help differentiate cells and also proliferate cells, which really means we're bringing in more cellular structures to help a damaged area recover and improve. There's also immune boosting functions to these properties. And we have been using these properties or these types of products during this pandemic. There have been multiple studies going on across the country and the world to show effectiveness and efficacy utilizing these types of products to help improve immune function, get the body triggered to fight harder and against different types of conditions and decrease inflammation. Now, this can be used as an IV formulation, and we could do an IV infusion. It's a simple IV placement, and the product gets infused over 5 to 15 minutes. We can also use it as an injection. So instead of a cortisone injection or a steroid injection, or sometimes even potentially to avoid surgery, this is another option that has been shown to work well to improve functionality and get people feeling better all around. Are there any side effects? Good one. So in general, anytime we inject plasma, it's your own blood. So most of the time it doesn't cause a bad inflammatory response, but sometimes you can get a little bit of inflammation because we're introducing plasma into a body part that may not have it usually. And that inflammation can be a little tender, can be painful. That usually resolves in a few days, and you're able to regain functionality and hopefully get the type of response we're looking for, which should get you the type of improved function that we had aimed for to begin with. As far as the other regenerative medicine technique, are there any side effects? For the most part, we haven't seen a lot of side effects. The nice thing of using this specific type of product, it doesn't have any DNA in it, and that is usually what triggers an inflammatory or immune response with other types of products. We specifically like this one because it has microRNA and not DNA, which means that the body will not reject it, body will not go after it and cause a big inflammatory response. So I think that's a big plus for how we have been able to avoid those types of conditions or concerns that we usually have with other products. Is it safe? It is. PRP and the regenerative techniques are safe. They are not FDA approved. However, they are not FDA approved, which means that we still need to do a lot of science and studies to get the FDA to approve it. That being said, it is an off-label, meaning that it is not approved by the FDA to use in these certain capacities, but we have literature that does show that it works and it is helpful, and we can talk more about that when you come in for a consult. Where to get the treatment? So we here at Shakti Health and Wellness Center are available to provide you these treatments. We can have you come in and talk about if you're a good candidate for them. And we are located in Elkridge and Mount Airy, as well as Rockville. We're happy to treat you in any of those locations. Feel free to check out our website, and we look forward to meeting with you soon. We're going to talk about the use of IV therapy to help your body heal, improve your immune function, improve brain fog or mental clarity, and give you more energy. IV therapy has been around for years, and we have had multiple different types of concoctions in those IVs to provide the best immune system boost, recovery after sports performance, or just anti-aging and just improvement of overall wellness. So the idea is when you take something orally, you only absorb about 1/18 of what you would get if you took it intravenously. So really, an IV therapy is about 40 to 50% more effective than taking something orally. So when we're looking at vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, we can take supplements, we can eat better foods, all of which are highly recommended and are effective. But if you still have a depletion, and we can do specialty laboratory testing to identify which vitamins, minerals, and nutrients you are low in, and we can talk about different ways to supplement that. Sometimes that's changing your diet. Sometimes it is with IV therapy. Sometimes it's with supplements or a combination of all of these. And the idea is by giving IV therapy, it allows your body to get to an optimal level for those specific vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to allow them to function as quick as possible. Now, what are the benefits of IVs? In general, we are able to improve energy, improve cognitive function or decrease brain fog, enhance muscle recovery after sports performance, improve immunity and immune function, especially during the type of lifestyle or pandemic we've all enduring. And it could also be very anti-inflammatory and help you with relieving painful symptoms or painful conditions. And overall, there is a general wellness phenomena that occurs with IVs, and people just feel better as they get, so it's quote unquote, tanked up on their vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. What conditions does it treat? Another question. Well, we can use it for general wellness. We can use it for inflammatory states, such as chronic pain, asthma, migraine headaches, and then any type of malnutrition or malnourishment. These are great ways to get you feeling better and get you healthier. Which specific IV medications or minerals, nutrients do we recommend? We can talk a lot more about the specifics when you come in and figure out what's the right combination for you based on what your needs are.